You're still recording.
Mm-hmm.
I can edit. Good.
That's good.
Welcome back, Saber fans. I am Kevin. This is Obi-Wan Sabers, and this is the problem I'm having today. We're going to try and fix it. No flash on Clash. So this turns out to be a common problem. I did a lot of research on it. I've had one of my own customers come back at me and say, "Hey, this thing isn't working." So we did some research on the fact, and we found out the answer to this is like incredibly simple. I couldn't believe it when I seen it. So this is it. So the big thing is when you got your electronics in here, it will register. But what we found out is that if the set screws are not holding the blade tight enough, then it won't register in the electronics that there's a flash on Clash going on. So we snug those up. You don't have to snug it so you're drilling a hole right through your blade. But if you tighten that up, generally there's 3. And now we can test it. Okay, so here's your first check. When you get your lightsaber, the best thing to do to check if flash on Clash is working is to take the blade out, power it up, turn it on. Do not look directly into the light. That is a safety thing. It will blind you. You will see spots forever. Okay. So this is how we check. We know we got a smooth swing going. And it should be as simple as... So this verifies that your flash on Clash is working. So now you put your blade in. Make sure it's good and snug without over tightening. And you'll be good to go. Okay, so I tightened up my set screws. We're going to test this thing out. Let's see if my theory is correct. Ignition. Could probably still be a little tighter. But it is working. Okay, really well. There we go. So that's a good first check when you're checking out your sabers. If you have no flash on Clash, that is your first step. Anything other than that, go back to your seller, like where you bought your saber from, and they should warranty it. I know I do. So if you bought it from me, please get a hold of me, and we'll get this fixed out. In the meantime, if you like this video, give us a subscribe, a like, ring the bell for notifications, share it with all your friends, and come back and see us again. Not good. Okay, ready. Oh, it's still going. Gotta love these blooper reels. They're fun. Okay.